holding a small square shaped cloth. Tell the child to first place the cloth on the floor, evenly spread it out. Now hold one end of the cloth with one hand and hold the other end with your other hand. Slowly move the cloth upwards so that it reaches the other side. Then place it down. Similarly, do with this side. Now evenly spread it out. Now hold one end with one hand and the other end with the other hand and slowly try to move it to reach the other side. Now you can turn it and your cloth will be folded. Hand over hand method. This is also known as physical prompting. You hold the child's hand and teach the child how to do the folding. Now here the cloth is on the floor. It's already been kept on the floor. We are going to hold this side and this side and slowly come forward. Now leave this side and leave this. Now press it, very good. Now hold here, hold it and slowly let's go front. Yes, now leave it. Very good, press it. The next method is where we verbally prompt the child and tell the child what has to be done. Please hold this cloth. Hold the cloth. Now place it down on the floor. Spread it out evenly. Very good. Now hold this side with one hand and that with the other hand. Very good. Now fold it to the other side. Yes, good. Even it out. Good job. Now hold one hand here and one here. Very good. Now fold it to this side. Very good. Good job. In this method, we do the activity along with the child. The child watches us and tries to model the same. We can also give verbal instructions. Now let us hold this end with this hand and this hand with this hand. Now slowly come forward. Try to reach here. Very good. Spread it out. Now turn it. Yes. Hold this side and this side. Come forward. Very good. Even it out. Very good. You folded your towel. Good job.